Here we are. This is an LG washing machine, a replacement for our moldy Kenmore that I reviewed a few years ago. We replaced it in 2015 and it's now unrepairable, or at least it's going to cost more than it's worth to buy a new one. This is an LG model number WT5680HWA. Top loading washer, supposed to be state of the art, cost a lot, and first thing that started happening were the bearings. The drum started to stop during the spin cycle and start making noise. Now the pump failed soon afterwards, and I have water in the machine standing there, and as you can see also when there were clothing in the washer, I now put it over here because I couldn't dry it or rinse it off. This tub was very, very low. Look at the space. You can fit tons of stuff through here, and in fact I found where some of our socks ended up, and that is during a spin cycle they probably got flung out of the drum into this crack and ended up inside of the machine. So if you're missing socks, you'll understand where they go. You got to open them up, and they're probably at the bottom of your machine on the outside of the tub. But now I've got this water issue, and we're going to try to get into a spin cycle here. Let me just turn the machine on. I'll go to special use, spin only, door locked. See, it still turns, but it's grinding. The bearings are gone on a 5-year-old machine, which was supposed to be, high capacity for extra clothing and whatnot. They just don't build these things like they used to. And now, trying to get the water out, you can hear a buzzing sound. That's the drain. Nothing's happening. So the pump is also gone. Pretty disappointing. I can tell you that many people swear by LG. They say they're better than Samsung's, which nobody trusts either. To be honest, I'm not very pleased with this purchase now that it's failed within 5 years. Does not give me any confidence, and I think I'm going to go back to a much simpler machine with less functions that's cheap, because it looks like they build them all pretty much to basically decay and fail within about 7 to 10 years. And the more you invest in them, the more you're going to just end up paying for a new one, because they're unrepairable for the most part. To get the bearing out of this thing and replace the bearing underneath is going to be a huge amount of labor. Even if you can get the part for, let's say, $100, $150 as an assembly, you got to basically tear the entire machine apart, which costs hundreds in labor and takes quite some time. So, and then you face other problems. For example, if they fix the bearing on this thing and then soon the pump went, then what good is it? So you can see it's just not practical to do. So there you have it. Just a quick overview of another disappointing washing machine. If you have one of these or similar and you've had the same kind of problems, please leave your feedback, and hope to talk to you next time. Bye for now.